Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud Jet to your PC in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to plug the headset into your PC. So if your PC has a single combo pack, you just have to plug it directly. If it has a separate port, you need to use a splitter cable. Just make sure that the jack is fully inserted to the avoid any kind of audio or mic issues. Now, after this particular thing, you need to open the settings of your device. Inside the settings, click on the option of system, then select the option of sound. Now under output, you need to select your headset and then you need to increase its volume to 100%. This ensures that the game audio plays through your headset. Now scroll a little bit down and you will see the input section here. Now here you need to select your headset again. Afterwards, you need to speak into the mic and check if the input bar moves. If not, you can reselect the device. Also here to make sure that the volume is up and it is between 70 to 100%. So after doing this, if the audio doesn't work even after doing all of these things, make sure that you reinsert the cable firmly. You can also try a different port and you can also use the rear ports instead of the front panel. So these fixes solve most of the connection related issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.